In this video, we will discuss an important mathematical tool na maraming applications. So, we are going to discuss the Laplace Transform. So, what is the Laplace Transform? The Laplace Transform is a mathematical technique that converts a function of time into a function of a complex variable f of s. This transformation simplifies the analysis of differential equations by converting them into algebraic equations in the S domain. So in simple terms, the Laplace transform is a mathematical tool or a mathematical technique that converts a function from the time domain f of t into a function of the S domain f of s. Instead of dealing with derivatives and integrals, the Laplace transform allows us to work with algebraic equations. So, from this definition, basically kaya siya tinawag na transform kasi we are transforming a differential equation to an algebraic equation. Kasi mas madaling isolve ang algebraic equation kumpara sa isang differential equation. A differential equation has integrals. It also has derivatives. Pero sa algebraic equations, mas madali. We're not going to deal with integrals or derivatives. So, again, it converts a differential equation into an algebraic equation. And it's very useful in control systems, electrical circuits, mechanical systems, and signal. So, basically, instead of solving a hard differential equation directly, we transform it using the Laplace transform. Tapos, isosolve natin siya in terms of in the S domain. Then, we will transform it back. So, the Laplace transform is named after Pierre-Simon Laplace. He is a French mathematician, physicist, and astronomer who made significant contributions to mathematics, probability theory, and differential equations. So, ipinangalan siya kaya siya tinawag na Laplace transform kasi it was named after Pierre-Simon Laplace. So, ano nga ba ang Laplace transform? The Laplace transform equation shows kung paano i-convert ang time domain or function of f of t into an S domain f of s using an integral from 0 to infinity. So, ano nga ba yun? So, kapag kinuha natin ang Laplace transform ng function of time, magagawa natin siyang, may co-convert natin siya sa function in the S domain using integral. It is a definite, we will use a definite integral. The lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is infinity. And we will use the exponential term e raised to negative st times the function of time na kino-convert natin. So, using this, again, para ma-convert ang isang function of time papunta sa S domain, we will use the Laplace transform. At ang Laplace transform ay merong symbol na ito. Ganito, parang pinaarting L siya. Laplace. Yan yung symbol ng Laplace transform. So, again, para magawa natin as a function of S or in the S domain ng isang function of time, we will take the Laplace transform. We will use the Laplace transform. So, magiging function of S siya, and using integral from 0 to infinity, we will use the exponential term or tinatawag na weighting factor na nagpapahina sa function as time increases, kaya nagiging convergent yung integral. Dahil dito, mas napapadali ang pagsusolve ng differential equations since derivatives or integrals become algebraic terms. So, remember this equation of the Laplace transform because lahat ng formula for the Laplace transform came from this equation. The integral from 0 to infinity of e raised to negative st times the function of time dt na i-convert natin papunta sa S domain. So, this is very useful, and in the next videos, we will derive the basic Laplace Transform formulas. Yeah. Andun na yung si t raised to n, yung Laplace transform ng constant, Laplace transform ng e raised to at, ng hyperbolic sine 80, ng hyperbolic cosine 80, ng cosine 80, sine 80, in which the a variable is any real number. It doesn't have to be an integer, basta any real number. So, in the next video, we will use this Laplace transform equation and this integration technique or this definite integral to derive the basic Laplace transform formulas. Again, the Laplace transform is used to convert a differential equation to an algebraic equation. It is used to convert a function of time into a function in the S domain.